Morning. Today is July 4. This will be the 17 days old. Time. Sleeping time on their 17th day. Today is the blue boy. That's the blue boy. Si Ash, nagising na lahat. Gising na sila. Okay. Ito naman, umupo. Sino to? Si Billy? Brownie to? Si Brownie? Black ba yan? Hindi naman. Si Brownie. Katabi ni Black. Who is this? Blue Dash? Dash si Pipi o si Ash. Das Pipi ug si Ash, oh. The red girl, Ash. Tulog, tatlo din, di ba? Natulog si Billy Boy. Disturbing the others. Elik sleeping. Also Jerlik is sleeping. Itong dalawa naman si si Elik nag-sleep. Ito si Ash, si Cake, and this one green, blue, the Dash. Dash, the blue guy, the blue boy.
Si Ash,
Tumba. Nakahiga na si Ash, si Elik, si Jerlix. Nakahiga. In the corner, si Jerlix. Ito naman on the left, si Billy. Amos, nandiyan na, oh. Ako. Kagulo-gulo na, oh. Ano? Feeding time.
Tara dito. Uy, bukat-bukat naman ni si Vicky. Si Billy.
Nag-ilugay na, oh. Nakahiga. Tatlo yung nakahiga. Ang apat. Yan si Phoebe, saka si Jerlix. Tulog na. Elik, lie down. And then Cake there. Ayan, position na. Just in the back. Billy still,
Hindi naman nakaagi.
Billy, pa rin si Billy.
Dali.
Ayan, sinsa na?
Si
Yan,
Dash.
Si Dash. Naligaw, nasa lubot.
Girl.
Wala na, walking na. Look for your position. Prepare to sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito naman. 5, 6. At yung isa. Dito. 4. 50. 50 katabi si Cake. The white girl. And then Dash. Dash, Pipi, and Cake. And Elik.
Birthday na niya na si. Ano sa tara? Hindi panganak.
And Jerlik.
Si Binten. Kinaanay isuga ngayon doon. Anak din na siya. Kila. Tapos
ito yung sleeping position nila. 25 in the evening. At narito ang mga puppies na kanilang tulog. Oh. Will be now they are in deep sleep. On the upper part, you have here from left to right, you have cake, Gerlix, and then belly, and then down you have Fifi, and then Ilik, and then Dash here, and then lower, on the lower part is Ash. Oh. Ilik tumble down. Okay. Nag-walk pa naman si... Who is this? Who is this? Nag-awake. Who is this? Why is he